Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you put together the double fold mirror card, which is a cutting file available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop, which is under the shop tab here on my applelover53.co.uk website. So you go to the shop tab and scroll down until you find ScanNCut cutting files. Now this style of card wasn't my idea. I've seen several different US demos make this card, but you know, they cut the card, their card is a slightly different size than our UK card, they score the lines with a stylus and a ruler and all that kind of thing, and I just thought it's a lot easier to create a ScanNCut cutting file and let our machine do all the hard work for us. Now I've decorated, it has a belly band on the front, I'll show you it all in a minute. And I've decorated my belly band using the little robot guy here from the Nuts and Bolts stamp set, together with the stitched star dies. These products are available in my Stampin' Up online shop. And again, if you go to my applelover53.co.uk website, click on the shop tab, scroll down, you'll find a link to my Stampin' Up shop. So this is it. It fits in a standard UK A6 envelope. So the belly band slides off and then it opens like so. So it's a fun fold card and it will stand, and then once the recipient opens it, you can just hook your belly band over onto the corner and you've got a little bit of extra decoration. Now I've put a plain white panel of basic white cardstock in mine so that I can stamp or write a greeting. All the elements apart from the robot and the stars are included in your cutting file. So your cutting file will give you the base card already pre-scored. You've just got to fold and, you know, cut your layers however you want. There's also an extra panel for the back. You could put that as a white panel so it would give you more room to write or stamp a greeting. I have just chosen on this one to use a panel in the crushed curry to match the card, and by adding that panel it just makes your card stand you know, on the mantelpiece. So if you want to see how to assemble this cutting file, keep watching. Okay, so you've cut all the elements from the ScanNCut cutting file that you've purchased and downloaded from my online Stampin' Up shop, which is at applelover53.co.uk. You click on the shop tab and you'll see a tab that says ScanNCut cutting files. So this is how you assemble it. So first of all, I'm going to fold on the score lines. So as you're looking at your card lay in front of you horizontally, your first score line is going to be what's called a valley fold, and your second score line is going to be a mountain. Then you've got diagonal folds here and here and here and here, and you're just going to fold gently on those score lines. Like so, and then this one I think folds up. But just take your time with this bit. And then your card should go together like so. Once you know it's folding correctly, then go in and burnish all your lines. So this is how your card is going to look. So I'm just going to open it out and I'm going to start positioning my pieces that I've cut. Just make sure I get them in the right orientation, because this blue pattern does actually have a direction. Probably can't see from here, but yeah, so it goes like that. So let me get some adhesive Just going to use some wet glue for this. This designer series paper that I'm using is from the Pattern Party 12 by 12 pack that's available in my online store, and you can actually earn this for free with a qualifying Stampin' Up order. I've got a little bit too much glue on that, so I'm just wiping some off. And because I'm using wet glue, I've got a little bit of time to kind of wiggle it around and position it. So yeah, this Pattern Party pack I've used a lot. It's 12 by 12, you get 48 sheets. And as I say, you can earn it free with a qualifying order in my Stampin' Up shop. So you don't need a lot of this glue. I had far too much on that first piece, so that's why I scraped some off. So all these matting layers that I'm using here in the designer series paper are all in your cutting file. So everything is in there for you. You just need to cut it in whatever card or paper you want to use. So you can see it all goes together nice and easily. I've cut a piece of white for the centre, you know, where you can stamp or write a greeting. But you don't have to. That could be pattern paper as well. It's entirely up to you. Now, your card is a bit wobbly if it's left like that. So what I've done, I have provided another piece of cardstock for you to stick on the back, which will give you an extra piece of card here, which makes your card more stable. So I'll just glue this on. Oops. And it's the exact same size as this panel, so it should fit. I've got glue on my fingers now. It should fit into place permanently. So I'm just going to burnish that down again. And now you can see that that stands. You could also put a piece of white on the back if you wanted more room to write. That's entirely up to you. So now I'm going to fasten it and show you how I'm going to decorate it. So in your cutting file, you also get this belly band. So I'm just going to wrap this belly band around the front of my card loosely. And then I'm just going to line up the cardstock and burnish that crease. So that should go round like so, and then you want a little bit of glue to glue it into place. Now I wouldn't do this too tightly because you want to be able to slide this on and off. So when you wrap it round, just don't pull it, you know, really tight. Leave it with a little bit of give. You can put the seam at the back, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to cover mine up, so I'm just going to put it on the front. I'm just going to hold that in place. So now this belly band will slide on and off, okay? I'm just going to leave it there for now. So to decorate mine, I'm using the cute little robot from the Nuts and Bolts, and I'm using the star dies, which are called stitched star dies. Both of these products are available in my Stampin' Up online shop, and I've cut various stars out of colours that are in this paper. So I've got Pool Party, Misty Moonlight, and I think that one's Crushed Curry. And I'm going to layer these two up. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in the middle of this stitched star. I love stars, and I don't know why I haven't bought these sooner, to be honest, because I think stars are so versatile, and that's going to stick on there, but I'm going to pop it up on a couple of dimensionals. So I'm just going to put one over that join and one next to it and peel the backings off. Pop my star on. Then I've got my little robot guy, which I think I'm going to pop a dimensional on him as well. And pop him there, like so. And then I've got all these coloured styles of star that I can pop on my card on the outside and on the inside. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in the centre of that one and pop it there. And then I think I'll pop this one up on a mini dimensional. I've only got black ones to hand, so that will do. Just get that in the middle. And I'll pop that one, I'd do that one kind of off centre, like so. So slide the belly band off for a minute. And then inside, I'll probably pop another one. I might do the pool party, actually. I'll do the pool party because it's kind of going near this yellow. Pop that there. Just watch where you position it, because obviously it's got to fold up. I'll use a yellow one there. I'll pop this one up on a dimensional. And again, I might just offset it, but I think that might do for now. So that's your card, and here's your belly band, and your card will stand, and then, you know, the recipient can just hook the belly band over the corner. But when you're posting it, it will all go together in a UK A6 envelope. You can resize the cutting file in your ScanNCut machine if you want to. Sorry, I've got glue on my fingers, that's why I'm making that look harder than it actually is. You can resize it, but you'll need to resize all the layers at the same time, or else your matting layers won't fit your card. So that's your double fold mirror card. Okay, thank you.